this week, SFU released a study that showed that if mandating indoor masks nationwide, it could reduce cases in Canada by 25 to 40%. So with that number, I know you've said previously BC isn't looking at this, but are you now looking at mandating indoor masks?
No, we aren't looking at mandating them, but we have put out the conditions where we think it is important for people to wear them, and that is those indoor spaces where you can't consistently maintain your physical distance. So we do know that masks in and of themselves are not a single thing that is going to solve all our problems, but they do need to be taken as one of the measures that can make a difference, particularly when you can't maintain those safe distances. And that study is helpful. It's what we call an ecological study, because there were many other things that were put in place at the same time, and it's sometimes hard to tease apart which ones are the ones that make the most difference. But it is helpful in helping us understand that when there's a lot of community transmission, and I think that's another key piece, they looked at areas where there was a lot of transmission in the community, where there was a lot of people with unrecognized disease who were out and about in the community, and that in those situations, it absolutely makes a big difference to have that extra layer of protection along with maintaining your physical distancing, trying to stay away from closed spaces, etc. So we are not at a space here in BC where we have that level of community spread, but I do absolutely recommend that all of us should be wearing masks when we can't maintain our distances, particularly when we're in places like transit, when we're inside in enclosed spaces where we need to be there for a period of time and we can't move around. So we're talking about like on the ferry or in an airplane. Those are things that can make a difference. The other things that are incredibly important and we know are very effective, and sometimes I hear people feeling that they need to wear a mask when they have a physical barrier. So a physical barrier is very effective at preventing transmission of this virus, and we've seen that. So bus drivers who have a physical barrier may not need to wear a mask the entire time that they're in the bus. If we're at many retail places where they have plexiglass barriers between you and the clerk, those are very effective as well.